Are you experiencing hair fall, constant fatigue, or mood swings? These could be signs of vitamin deficiency that 70% of the women population face. But taking a wrong supplement might make these problems more worse. Our grandmas got all their vitamins from fresh sabji, fruits, and traditional spices. But modern processed food have created vitamin deficiencies affecting millions of women in the world. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Likita's Foodie Studio. After creating hundreds of healthy recipes and smoothie recipes, I discovered something that completely changed my approach to nutrition. Did you know that 80% of women are vitamin D deficient despite living in the sunniest countries? And that popular vitamin supplements might contain synthetic ingredients that your body cannot absorb. The vitamin industry has been hiding crucial information that every Indian woman needs to know about deficiencies and dangerous side effects. Today, we are uncovering the vital truth about vitamins safely. So, here is what you need to know. Vitamins are essential micronutrients crucial for optimal body function. In 2024, adults spent a strategies of 500 million on vitamins and supplements, highlighting their perceived importance. However, both insufficient and excessive intake can significantly impact your health. This video today explores their vitamin role, viral role, and potential side effects. Well, what are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds required in small amounts for growth, metabolism, and maintaining overall health. Essential for various bodily functions, acting as catalysts for chemical reactions happening in your body. Divided into water soluble and fat soluble based on their absorption and storage in the body. They act as coenzymes supporting the immune system and aid in energy production and cell repair. Crucial for maintaining health and preventing a range of deficiency related diseases. Water soluble vitamins are not stored in your body and need to be replenished daily through your diet. These are essential for immune defense, collagen synthesis, and iron absorption, and they prevent scurvy. A group of 8 vitamins called vitamin B, ranging from vitamin B1, vitamin B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, 9, and 12, are vital for energy metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. Excess intake of vitamin is typically excreted in urine, but they might cause fatigue, skin issues, and bleeding gums. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body's fat, tissues, and liver, meaning they can accumulate over time. We majorly have vitamin A, D, E, and K under the fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and cell growth, abundant in liver and carrots. Vitamin D supports your bone health, calcium absorption, immune modulation, and your mental mood, primarily synthesized by skin from sunlight. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant protecting your cells from damage, and they are majorly found in nuts and seeds. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism, rich in leafy green vegetables. These fat soluble vitamins are, due to their storage, They carry a higher risk of accumulation and toxicity if consumed in excessive amounts. Well, let's explore the dangers of vitamin deficiency. Lack of essential vitamins can lead to serious health problems. The NHS estimates that 1 in 5 adults are deficient in vitamin D, vitamin B12, or folate, that is vitamin B9. Deficiency in vitamin D is widespread in leading ricket in children and osteomalacia, that is soft bones, in adults. Vitamin B12 can cause pernicious anemia and nerve damage, particularly affecting the elderly and vegans. Finally, vitamin B9, that is folate, critical during pregnancy, deficiency increases the risk of neural tube defect by up to 70%. General symptoms of vitamin deficiency include persistent fatigue, weakened immune system, poor vision, and bone weakness. Now, let's understand the vitamin toxicity. Excessive vitamin intake, almost exclusively from high dose supplements, can lead to hypervitaminosis. Vitamin, which are fat soluble, pose a higher toxicity risk due to their accumulation in the body's fat tissues and liver. Whereas water soluble vitamins are generally safer as excess is excreted, but some can still be toxic at very high dose. Symptoms of toxicity can range from mild discomfort, such as nausea or your diarrhea, or to a severe level, that is irreversible organ damage, including liver and kidney functions. Let's quickly understand the specific side effects and interactions of different vitamins. Vitamin A, acute dose over 2000 IU or a chronic intake exceeding 10,000 IU per day can cause liver damage and birth defects. Vitamin D, chronic intake above 10,000 IU per day may lead to hypercalcemia, excess calcium in bone, and even kidney damage. Vitamin B6, higher doses exceeding 200 mg per day may be linked to peripheral nerve damage causing neuropathic disorder. And vitamin C overdose of 2000 mg per day can cause digestive upset and may contribute to kidney stone in susceptible individuals. Vitamin K can interfere with anticoagulant medications like warfarin, reducing their effectiveness and increasing clotting risk. Well, now you understand both the vital benefits and potential risks of vitamins. Vitamins are essential for optimal health, but more isn't always better. Focus on getting vitamins naturally from colorful vegetables and fruits. If you choose supplements, prioritize quality brands, always read supplement labels carefully, and always consult healthcare providers and never exceed recommended dose. Balance is your key to wellness. Don't let vitamin misinformation affect your health decisions. And to start incorporating vitamin rich food in your daily meals, check out my YouTube shorts for nutrient packed 50 fantastic salad series and try out detox smoothie recipes for natural vitamin absorption. What's your experience with vitamin supplements? Share your story in the comments below. I personally read and respond to everyone. If this video helped clarify vitamin confusion, subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content that can transform your family's health. Also, share your biggest vitamin question. I will feature it in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.